Hello everyone, welcome to GMB. This is Joanna for you introduce our latches. This two latch is our plastic one. The main function is we can change the latch easily. And this one is normal latch, and you have to use the tooling into this block case and turn over the toggle. I show you how to install this latch to our models. When you close the door, it's silent. Okay. There are popular latches in our market. We have two quality levels for this latch. From the shape, it's difficult to find how to difference. Now, I explain them for you. This one is our standard model. It can be passed 100,000 circle test. You can find there are two grooves on lock case. When user close the door, this groove will help to hold back this part. Rush at the lock case, and we place enough white oil on the lock. Works always open small hole in the door to install latch. This latch is not any burger. And this one is our economic quality. You can see it has a hook on the lock case, above the lock case. And this one is without oil on lock. And the economic quality just passed 50,000 circle test.